How to get Telegram Premium on your Android device. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Telegram and get the premium. But before getting started, make sure to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So if you're using an Android device, you first need to have the Telegram app on your phone. You can download it from Play Store and then just open up the app. And if you want to get the premium, you first have to open your chats, then swipe right on your screen to bring out the menu, and just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just have to scroll down. Here you will see Telegram Premium. Just tap on this one. And as you can see, there is two types of subscription. You can either get annual subscription or monthly. Annual will only cost you $3 per month, and if you take the monthly subscription, it will cost you $5 per month. You can have different features like unlimited posting of your stories, priority order, stealth mode, permanent view, history, and more. You can also have unlimited cloud storage like 4 GB per each document, unlimited storage for your chats and media overall. You have double limits, then Telegram Business. You can go through all of these options here that you get with the premium. Now just tap on subscribe for 35.99 per year, or you can just go ahead and choose your monthly. So you can do the $5 per month. Now here you'll just have to add your card details, then tap on save and you should be able to make the purchase. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.